So here we are, March 23rd. This is approximately 3 hours, literally 3 hours after I rode my motorcycle home from work. I literally just rode home from work only 3 hours ago. And it has been coming down ever since. All the places are closing early because of snow conditions. And yeah, it's pretty amazing just how much snow that we've actually gotten from this. So anyway, they're calling for 2 foot by I think tomorrow morning now. So they're expecting a lot of snow, and at my house already got quite a bit of snow. So anyway, pretty good snowstorm here, considering, like I said, I literally rode home from work at, and that says 8:23. I rode home from work at 5 o'clock on my motorcycle, and the roads were wet. So this is a pretty solid snowstorm we got coming up here. You can see just how fast it's accumulating on the windshield. Wipers are on regular speed, and you know, where it's not, you can't even hardly see out. It's coming down so hard. So anyway, a little quick video of this. We'll see what happens.